Hey guys, it's Jacob, and I'm a camel, and today we're going to the bank. And today, we're going to set up an automatic transfer. To help us discuss this, let's welcome our great friend, Mr. Autopay.
Hello, Brodies. It's me, Mr. Autopay.
Woo!
And I'm here to help you send money to your friends and family.
Thank you!
An automatic transfer is when money comes out of your bank account and goes into another bank account. The money goes from sending bank electronically to the recipient bank and is paid immediately.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Also, someone can send money to your bank account from their bank account. An example is when your mum and dad want to send you money from their bank account to your bank account.
Wow.
You can also send money from your checking account to your savings account, and vice versa. But be very careful. Setting up an automatic transfer to another person, you want to make sure that you know this person. If you send money to the wrong person, then they can steal your money. And you won't get your money back. With an automatic transfer, instead of you going into the bank and sending the money yourself, the automatic transfer comes out of your bank account automatically and sends the money for you. That's right. When you send money with Mr. Autopay, you don't have to worry about sending the money on time. I send the money on time for you.
Thank you!
If you're late paying your bills, then it stops you from buying your toys.
What?
With Mr. Autopay, you can send anyone any amount that you want. You send $1, you can send $10, you can even send $1 million. You can send money once a month, you can send money once a week, you can even send once a day.
Oh, wow. Wow. Wow.
Now that we know the basics, let's go transfer some money. Yeah!
Mr. Autopay, I want to send $5 from my checking to my savings. Can I do that?
Why, I sure can, Brody. All we need to do is choose the day. We choose the amount. Now, we verify the transfer. Always before you send the money, verify that all the information is correct. You do not want to send money to the wrong person. Now that everything is verified, we press submit.
I now have $5 in my account.
Woo!
No problem, Brody. As you can see, the money came right into your bank account. But remember, consult with your parents before you set up any automatic transfer. Sometimes, it may be best to walk into the bank and do the transfer.
Want to see more Animal Bank?
Woohoo!
Do you want more coconuts?
Woo!
Like us and subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you want to see next.
And always remember, Brodies, always pay your bills on time.
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más fiesta.